Hello there again. Here is another lesson for today. It is lesson number 7, which is the multiple ellipse. And with multiple ellipse, we can create anything that has this form, as long as you can see and identify ellipse there, then you can work on that. Okay, now let's look at here. This is a flower pot. Okay, so this is a flower pot. Here is it can be a cylinder where you place the flower pot here, something like that, or a stool. It can be a stool or earthen jar or jar. Okay, so you can. Now, once you master the ellipse, you can create any of this form. Okay, now let's see what that looks like in exercise. Okay, so let's move this to the right, and there, multiple ellipse number 7. Now look here, this is the guideline again with the vertical center line. It's always okay, so that we know our center. And then how many ellipses we can do here? There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So this will be our guideline, and this is how it looks like. Now you see, when we put on the ellipse and then connect there, and so we have the flower pot, and it will look at the end, it will look like, okay, flower pot. You ready? So let's see how to do this. Okay, let's start with, again, center vertical line, this. Then we start with small here, and then 2 on top, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we get this size, distance from here and here. Again, take note of the balance, and somewhere here. Okay, then we'll connect from here. So we have our dots here. The dots is, instead of dots, we put the C for, remember, for the ellipse, C. For here, we put a dot here, and here we can put a dot. Okay, half C is okay. Okay, let's try again. Let's try by doing our ellipse. So for the top, we have the complete ellipse. Okay, so we have the complete ellipse. Here, we will only need 1. Okay, half. We need only half of it. Okay, so we need only half. And here, we only need half. Okay, so this one is whole, 1/2, and 1/2. And then we'll connect this side, and then we'll connect from here, not, but a little bit in here, and we'll connect there. So watch, it's a little bit in. Okay, a little bit in. Also on the other side, from here, not here, but somewhere here, and we'll connect that one. You see that? There. So this is our flower pot. Now let's do final. Now again, you can have this wide, okay, or you can have this narrow. Here you can have this further, taller, or shorter. Okay, you can do like that. Yeah, let's try one more time. So we have, again, vertical line, 1, 2, 3 at the bottom for our ellipse here. So we do like this, and 1 on top. We'll do longer, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. So we'll have it here and here, so we must match that one with here, something like this. Okay, and I'll mark my letter C for the first one, the hole, and mark dot here and dot and dot dot. Okay, so we go for our ellipse here, and half at the bottom, and you can connect that now, that's fine. And then don't do the bottom half only, and we can not on this line but a little bit inner further, and connect. And we can clean, so we have a clean drawing. Remove the guidelines and find out the line, make it darker, really dark. Yeah. Oops. And okay. Ooh, picture won't like that, so we'll clean it. Okay, there we are. So we have our flower pot. So can you guess what's next after this, after practicing? The test paper. Okay, so let's practice our skill. Now let's remember, what's that? First one, yes, guideline. And the first thing in the guideline is the oops, that's too dark pencil, that shouldn't be. Okay, so we do it like this, and so this is my bottom, and we'll do like this, 2 and 3, and we'll try 1, 2 and 3, and then another one, 1, 2 and 3. So we have here, and again you can use your fingertip to match where the line is, and then move, again point the edge of the pencil and go and estimate it will be somewhere here, and here it will be somewhere balanced here, and you know it's will be connected there, and we're connecting it there. So that's our guideline. Now we're ready for the letter C, and connect. Okay, there. And the next one is from here to here, so we have only half of it, half. So we can connect that one, and then we have this, and we have this a little bit tall. Okay, of course when this is curved, then also this must be curved also. Okay, not flat like this, that doesn't look good. Okay, so there. And of course we want to put some soil, not here but somewhere here. We just follow that one, and this will be our soil. Yes, that's the best soil. Now we can put something there, and this is our flower. Okay, so, and that's for our flower there. Then you can shade, and this is a little darker with this thing. Okay, so just shade so we know where the light is coming from. Let's clean a little bit. Let's remove some of the guidelines if we need. And here's your flower path. Okay, from this you can make any, because you can move the cylinder guidelines anywhere. Now you will notice here in the guidelines of orange. Okay, so guidelines of orange, sometimes it's in here, it will be this near, but this one, it's a little, I put it a little bit farther. Okay, a little bit farther, and then you can make it narrow, wide, narrow. Okay, and then wide again. That can be, so you can experiment on that. So also this one, so a little farther, so this one is narrow, and then we go wide, and then this one is narrow, wide, narrow. Okay, so try and experiment, and you can see whatever form you can do with multiple ellipse. And that's our lesson for today. Thank you for watching.